Let me ask you something before we begin. How many people do you know who want to write a book but never do? I'm holding my two books right now. These books does not come from degree in literature. They did not come from years of free time. They come from one decision to stop thinking about writing a book and start writing one. I did it, and in this series I am going to show you how to write your book with clarity, honesty, and with great compassion and faster than you think. When you finish writing your story, your new life begins from there. The status of an author is going to stuck forever. You cannot retire from it. Your book will keep your presence alive even when you are gone. So what do you do when you finish writing your book? You quickly get on with the life you have put on hold for writing adventures. Let me tell you something most writer does not expect. Writing the first draft feel hard, but editing the draft, that is where a lot of writers completely freeze. They open their manuscript, read the first page and think, it's terrible. I don't even know where to start. Did I really write this? If that sounds familiar, take a breath. Editing is not about fixing everything at once. It's about making small, focused improvements one layer at a time. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to edit your book without feeling overwhelmed. Welcome back to part 4 of this 5 video series on how to write a book. At this point, you have done something huge. You have written a first draft that puts you ahead of most people who said they wanted to write a book. Now let's talk about how to turn that messy draft into something buildable, meaningful, and strong. Don't read your book immediately. Give yourself and your characters some distance. Distance brings clarity and help you understand the story more deeply. Return to your story after one time. Read multiple times. Add missing pieces. Rely on character. Rethink ending. You will end up making 30 to 40% changes, and that is okay. Before we talk about how to edit, let me tell you when not to edit. Right after you finish the first draft, you need distance. Even a few days, ideally a week or two, can make massive difference. Why? Because editing requires clarity, not emotion. When you step away, you come back with fresh eyes. You stop seeing what you want to say. You start seeing what actually on the page. So if you are just finished your draft, congratulations, and pause. That pause is part of the progress. One of the biggest mistakes writers make is trying to fix everything at once. Don't do that. Editing works best in layers. Here are the 3 main editing levels to know. Level 1, big picture editing. This is about structure and clarity. You ask questions like, does the book make sense? Are chapters in the right order? Does the story or message flow? You are not worrying about grammar yet. You are looking at the bones of the book. Level 2, line editing. This is where you improve sentence, you tighten language, you remove repetition of ideas, you make your writing clearer and smoother. Level 3, proofreading. This is the final polish, spelling, grammar, types, everything have to be clear. If you try to proofreading before fixing structure, you will waste time. Always edit in this order. Let's talk about self-editing, because yes, you can do a lot of on your own. Start with level 1. Read your book like a reader, not a writer. Don't stop to fix sentence. Just take notes. Ask yourself, where did I feel bored? Where I was confused about characters or ideas? Where did I want more details? If something feels off, it probably is then you go chapter by chapter, focus on one chapter at a time. Editing the whole book at once is overwhelming. Small focus creates momentum. At some point you will need other eyes on your work. That's normal, it helps. Start with friends reader. Those are people who read your book and give feedback before it published. Choose readers who are in the target audience, who will honest but respectful. And remember, feedback is information, not instructions. You don't need to apply every suggestion. Now about professional editing, if you can afford one, that would be worth it, especially if your final version. But don't hire an editor too early. Clear up the draft first. Respect the time and your money. Here is a truth that surprises every writer. A book is never perfect. At some point, editing turns into fear, disgust as improvement. So how do you know when to stop? When the message is clear, the structure works, and you are fixing tiny things instead of big ones, that is your sign. Finished is better than perfect. So here is the action plan for today. Choose one chapter for your book and do a big picture edit only. No grammar, no polishing, no clarity. In the final video of this series, we are talking about publishing your book and what to do after you're finished writing, because finishing the manuscript is just the beginning. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss the final part. You did not come this far to stop now. Your book is taking shape. You are just doing better than you think. See you in the next one. Thank you.